Go Castilla from Yes La Infante, and I am in third of secondary. I took part in the change because I think that it is a good experience for learn new vocabulary and make new and different friends and to know about new culture. I was involved in have an English person in home teaching in new vocabulary in Spanish and showing him the different places and monuments. I especially like the Chalet race because it was very fun, despite the fact that there were a lot of mud on the ground. I remember a funny story when my partner was nearly fell on the ground. I also like the Granada Street because it was the first time that I could go to the Rambla, and it was raining but it was interesting. I and there was a thing that attracted my attention. It was that my partner didn't like the Spanish food, and I think that he didn't like to learn new vocabulary in Spanish. But I'm happy of doing the same.